So what we want to do is we want to add some visual customizations. So if we go to our character mesh here, we're going to see what options we actually have available to us. So right here we don't actually have any blend shapes. So blend shapes are typically used for like weight sliders and muscle sliders, things like that. But we don't have any of those. So we're going to just do some basic customization. So let's customize our character's scale, just a very basic one. So we're going to do a scale customization, and we're just going to say size, and we'll make it a slider, and the target game object is going to be our RPG character mesh, and we're going to basically just like scale that, but that doesn't work, so we're going to make it, our motion to scale our character. So our target game object is going to be motion, and we can either scale all three axes or we can just scale like the height, for example, but we're going to keep it looking somewhat reasonable and scale all three of them. And we're going to say the minimum scale is let's say maybe 0.5, and our max scale will say is 1.5. And if you wanted to scale some other objects with that, you can. This is all covered in our written documentation, and you can check out more information about visual customizations there. So if you hit save, we can reset this back to normal. And now let's try to create our character again using character creation. Let's move the audio. So here's our character. And so we defaultly scaled to the minimum value. We're going to put it 1, 2, 3 again. And so now we have our actual slider for his scale. So we're going to make it somewhat. We're going to start off with a slightly smaller character. And you see there our changes are kept. So we've got tiny character, big character, underdog versus the big dog. So there we are. That's a basic intro to setting up your character, and then some character customization and your animations in there.